Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 304. If we start with this box, we're just missing a 1. And for this row, we're just missing a 1. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here and a 9 here, so this is our 4. That 9 makes this our 6. 9. For this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. Nope. 7, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 4, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here and a 1 here. So this is our 7. That 1 makes this our 8. 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 here and a 5 here, so our 5 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 6. 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row now, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 9. We've got 1 and 4 here, so 3, 9. 4 here, so 1, 3, 9. 1 here, so 3, 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 9. 3 here, so 2, 9. 2 and 9 here. So this is our 3. That makes this our 9, 2. And that 3 makes this our 9, 3, 1, 4. And that 3 makes this our 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box, we're just missing a 6. For this column, we're missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. That 9 makes this our 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 4, 2 here, so 3, 4, 4 here, so 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. That 2 makes this our 4, 3, 2. And for this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 7. 1 here, so 4 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.